Dito na sila, guys.
No parking. Nagkakay sila. Puro sila hazard. Ano, di ba ito makita?
Yes.
Finally, nabili na talaga.
O yan, alam niyo na, nabili ng ano,
Speed.
ah, ito to.
Paano yung speed? Asa sila? Sika na sila. Ayun.
Diba?
Bakit hindi sila kompleto?
Kailan napalit ng 45,000 eh.
Gon.
Asa kaya tayo?
Tulip.
Sa kuan. Tulip. 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 Tulip.
Ah, niya, nang probinsya.
Ano ko?
Kay buffet. Super stress na kayo, I don't know.
Sa taon niya.
Di ba, hindi ako klaro. Ramdam ito ni Van.
Iba na, si Moana.
Oh.
Oh, kainit. Sa kalamansi.
Init, lagutan na.
Nagkabuhat ka ni Kuya.
Wala stock sa Pilipinas. Oh, nagpag-forms ka rin ako. Why sunod?
Hi guys! Tapos ko na nabalot yung para sa Christmas sa manita ko para mamaya sa Christmas party ng Pretty Ladies.
Okay. There's a penalty.
Kain muna ako guys kasi I'm hungry. So, kanina, trust inside. Kanina sa sa check-up, dinagdagan lang yung aking dosage ng aking para sa high blood tsaka para sa heartbeat. Tapos next mga after 2 weeks magpa-lab test ako. Binigyan na rin niya ako ng request ko ano yung mga lab na ipapatest ko. And then, next week ko pa malaman, after 2 weeks ko pa malaman kung ano yung cause ng pagtaas ng aking blood pressure. So, ngayon, kakain muna ako guys, kasi I'm hungry. Dito ako sa kwarto ni Yuri. Dito ako kakain. Dito ako kakain sa kwarto ni Yuri. So, yung binili ko, this one, salad guys. Kasi wala pa akong kain simula kanina morning. Kumain pala ako pero itlog yung kinain ko. Boiled egg. So ito ngayon, ito yung aking kakainin. Kain tayo guys. Pasensya na magulo yung kwarto ng anak ko. Wala akong gana talaga maggalaw-galaw kanina. Kahit ngayon. Kain tayo. Thank you, Lord.
Hindi ko siya maubos, guys. Marami pa. Bukas ko nakakainin ito. Tomorrow morning.
Okay naman dahil. May isa siya.
Nakainit na ba sila?
Oo. Ako, padali naman.
Bye-bye, see you later. That's this.
Kuan lang. Something.
Hi guys! Tapos na kami sa pag-design ng aming backdrop for our Christmas party. Pero may kulang pa. May mga balloons pa dyan. Ilalagay namin doon sa gilid. Dito na side. So, andyan na yung mga gifts namin. regalo. Ganda ba guys? Super nice. Tapos nandoon yung food namin. Tapos dito kami kakain later.
Tears in to tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, since to tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. This winter hoodie through this world begins tonight. He started the Christmas tree. With a jingle bell, I know if only me. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under their mistletoe, hoping that he'll soon be knocking on my door. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe on the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day.
Almost 12 na. Yun lang ako uwi. Sobrang kakapagod yung party namin kanina. Kasi kahapon pa nag-arrange kami dun sa sa bahay ni Ate Boots. Tapos ngayon naman, kanina tawa ng tawa, tapos nagsasayahan talaga. And ngayon sobrang bagsak na yung katawan ko. Anyway, yun lang aking vlog guys, yung buong Christmas party namin na nakakatuwa. And thank you so much for watching. Mag-good night na ako guys, talagang pagod na pagod ako. Good night, bye-bye.